It's already starting. Oh, okay. Okay, hello guys. We are going to be sorry about my mom, but this is gonna be the bestest video yet, and I'm gonna open something
Do you want
today.
me to give them a little sneak peek?
Yes.
Just a little tiny flash?
Wait.
I can see that.
Okay,
There
that's
you go.
a sneak peek. Okay,
Okay,
ready,
there you
set, go. This is what I bought. Alarm clock. I have to put it
press
over
the
my
button. No.
Yeah, I'm gonna press it. See. We're gonna do that. Where's the button?
The camera's backwards, so sorry.
We're gonna twist it. Yum. That's one of them. And we are gonna rip the box very madly.
No, you want to save the box.
Why?
Open it like
that. Why do we have to save it?
because you might want to pack it up sometimes.
I forgot to say that. The box is very badly to me.
You know, whatever. Here. There we go.
Got it.
There we go. Now you ready, guys?
Oh, I ripped it. I ripped it.
Oh,
no. Safe.
I'm not on my channel because I lost my phone.
Here we go.
Oh, it needs to be plugged in.
No, you have to be kidding. It's so far. It's cord. Okay. Would you mind the bubble wrap? Save the bubble wrap.
No, I never, Mommy. We're doing a
We
video.
got a bit of bubble wrap. We got a bit of bubble wrap. Oh, I'm showing it.
Okay.
Oh, that's why. It's because my thing is right there. The green light. So we have this. Oh,
We're
bubble
going
wrap.
to have our TV back.
I know.
Here we go. It's
Did
an
you plug it
alarm
in?
clock. Yeah, I'll plug it in. It's an alarm clock with a radio.
Yeah, but how do I press the button so it'll say the things?
Yeah, but you have to wait.
Oh, it's on this cover. It's on the cover.
Okay, good thing we kept the cover, right?
Yeah. Oh, it's so.
I can't. Guys, put in the comments if you are super excited for the Minions movie. I know I am.
Yeah.
Are you, Matt?
Yes. Now.
Oh, and remember that movie going on called Newt that got canceled for us?
I hate that. John. Boop.
Here we got it plugged in. Let me set her up.
That's going on high beast already. Family. If I whisper, how much will it be? Hello, guys. Whoa, that's just so
yeah, but
loud.
you know it's not that good.
Yeah, because no one will hear. Like
Oh
up halfway when I say.
Have to tie the connection cable up?
I don't know.
This is not necessary.
I taught yesterday.
Some fun popping some bubbles.
Oh, okay. Bubble wrap. Bubbles. We're gonna pop that bubble. Gonna pop these bubble wraps. Getting a minion alarm clock and I got it today. I'm gonna pop some bubble wraps when
it's plugged in. Now it shows the time thing.
Yeah.
Now.
It's not the right. Go check the right time on the TV.
Oh my God.
Oh, Mom, can you bring me in the phone so I can know the right time? Mom, bring in the phone so I can see the right time and put on my alarm clock.
I know that it's probably like in the phone. Yeah, so
yeah,
it's on the alarm. Can somebody get it?
Oh, Mom. You go get Blake. You're my assistant. You're my assistant. Or scientist. Oh, the TV is wrong. 602. Send my alarm clock. 602. 602.
Here, guys, this phone.
Oh, phone.
I think I just accidentally pressed set.
It's 602.
Yeah, but it won't work. probably just pressed
602.
yeah, I know.
602.
Wait, what's the next game, Sandra?
Yeah.
602. 602. See, you can see the time. 602. Right, let's see. Good. No, you can't see. I'll press talk, but no, it's on. Oh. No, it won't. Oh, that's the radio, Blake. 602, you put it too high. It's on 870, 880.
No, it's not. I'm not on too high. I'm on the alarm clock, but it won't.
That's 603 now. 603.
I'm trying to put that. It's on the channels. No.
That's the channel.
See, I'm trying to turn it off. I tried pressing C. Got it.
Sorry. So close on red. Because there's an arrow. I want to go on red. So, oh, I got it.
Got the time back on.
Bubble wrap.
Come on, that's not time.
What's happening there? Ryan, do you want to pop some of my bubble wrap? I'm on YouTube now. Everybody knows your name.
Ryan, he's doing a video.
No, Ryan, don't you dare end it. Ryan!
You're ending it.
Ryan, no, he's not. He cannot pack that up and do it all over again, Ryan.
Yes, you can.
No, he cannot.
You took a bit. You said my name, and I do not approve of that video.
Just kidding. His name is Jake.
No, it's not. It's not.
It's Jake.
He's trying to make us pack this up all over just because he says his name.
No, they're taking a video and like other.
They hear what you guys are saying. Now everybody knows what you're saying, Dad.
What?
Everybody knows what you're saying.
What am I saying?
Everybody's gonna hear you in real life.
Saying what?
Saying all that you're saying right now.
I'm not saying nothing. I'm telling you, get me going home.
Still saying something. Now, when I set this on YouTube, everybody's gonna hear you talking. Oh. Let me check the phone again. Where did I put the phone? No, Blake, I gave the phone to you, did I?
The house phone?
Yeah.
What time?
The time is 6:06. 6:06. Oh, yeah. No, my time says 6:08 p.m. Oh, close. Close. Pretty close. Oh, 6:06. Hurry up and do it. Come on, you've been doing this for the past 9 minutes. This video is on 9 minutes and 26 seconds.
Well, anyway, you can end it now because we're done with it.
Okay, bye.